Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm TEVALAYLDN. In today's video I'm going to be doing a collective haul. I have been picking up a few gorgeous pieces over the past couple of weeks, and I want to show you some of the brands, are big brands that you may have heard of before and others you may not have heard of before. So if you like unique pieces, then definitely stick around for the end of the video, because I'm pretty sure you're going to love some of the things just as much as I do. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first piece that I want to show you is actually this racerback vest that I'm wearing now. This is from Sunda Bay. I got it in a size medium and I absolutely love it. I need every single colour once my size becomes available. It's ribbed, but what I really like about it is it is really structured. It's not one of those loose fitted ones that, you know, some of these racerback vests that lose its shape and lose its structure over time. This isn't one of them. So it is a little bit more on the pricier end. It's around £50, so it is a bit expensive for a vest, but I tell you, no lies when I say it's worth every single penny. I absolutely love it. It's ribbed, it's high neck, you know, it's structured. Can you just see that? But it's still elasticated, so yeah, definitely a steal. You know, some racerback vests can be like £350 if you want a good one, so I think for £50 it's definitely a bargain. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this one before I show you some of the gorgeous pieces behind me. Okay guys, so the next piece that I want to show you are these Loewe jeans. Now if you're into high fashion or luxe fashion, then you probably would have seen these plastered everywhere over social media, but they are almost near impossible to get hold of right now. So I managed to find one size, a UK size 10, which is a French 38 I believe, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try my luck, I'm going to get them because they are baggy jeans. And guys, when I tell you, they look ridiculous on me. I don't know if it's because I'm too tall or if it's because I clearly went a size down when I should have gone a size up, or even 2 sizes up, but yeah, it's not giving. So I've got some crusty shorts on, so don't judge me, and I'm actually gonna show you guys what these look like on, so you don't make the same mistake as I did. For reference, I'm 5'8.5", so if you are my size, I say if you are my size, if you are my height and my size, then don't make the same mistake as I did. So yeah, let's just pop these on. Okay guys, so as you can see, they are clearly far too tight for me. My belly is almost like being cut in half, but there is still this massive gape here at the back. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a big gape at the back, and also they are really short on me. Can you see that? I will insert a clip either here or here somewhere to show you how they are supposed to look, but they are not doing what it needs to do. Now I am definitely on the lookout for a UK size 12 or even a UK size 14, just so that I can really get that baggy look, and hopefully it will help with the length. But if I can't get those sizes, then I mean, I'm screwed. But this is what they look like on. This is not what they are supposed to look like on. They look so bad on me. I can't even walk properly. Like, I'm walking like a robot. It's just not, yeah. So please don't make the same mistake as I did, because otherwise you are going to look ridiculous. And yeah, that's just that. So yeah, let's get into the next piece that I picked up. So this is the next piece that I picked up. I'm actually wearing 2 separate pieces from 2 separate brands. So the first one is this bodysuit from a brand called Koku or Kuko, something like that. I'm not really good with my pronunciations, but I will definitely put a insert somewhere on the screen so you can see what the brand's name is. Anyway, I absolutely love this top. I saw it on Sophia over on her Instagram, and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, so I had to buy it. And honestly, I have no regrets. I absolutely love it. I love the kind of wet look that it gives. and I love how figure hugging it is as well. I picked this up in a size medium, and yeah, the fit is perfect. I'm also pairing it with these cargo trousers that I got from Mango. I got these also in a size 12, UK size 12, and I love the fit. It's quite loose and relaxed, and I do generally like my trousers to be quite relaxed and quite baggy. This is how the Loewe jeans were supposed to look. But yeah, I absolutely loved how this looks as well. These were actually in the sale. The original price was £50 and I picked them up for £25, so it was absolute steal. And this top was around £60, something like that. But yeah, I think it looks quite cute together actually. I wouldn't have thought to pair it like this, but I kind of like it. I think it looks kind of cute. And you can wear these like high-waisted, which is usually how I would wear them, but for this look I think it looks quite nice, like, you know, low rise, and I'm not really a low rise kind of babes, but I'm digging this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. Hey guys, so this is the next piece that I want to show you, and it is this beach cover up from a brand called A Long Time Coming. This was kindly gifted to me, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I absolutely love it. It is perfect for the beach. It's knitted, like that kind of crochet material. I love the color as well, and I mean, yeah, it's perfect. You could actually even probably wear this as a dress, and not a beach cover up if you had like a little, you know, cami dress underneath it. But yeah, actually maybe not with the slit. But yeah, I love the slit as well. I think it's super cute. I've got a Victoria's Secret swimsuit underneath, which I'm not going to show you guys, but I will insert a clip here if anyone's interested. But yeah, the main focus right now is this beach cover up, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like from the back. I just think it's really handy, and you can just be a little bit more modest when you're at the beach, when you don't want to have everything out. So yeah, love it. Okay guys, so this is the next piece that I want to show you, and it is this gorgeous jumpsuit from Millen. This was kindly gifted to me and I absolutely love it. I think it is perfect for tall girls. It is very tall girl friendly. It goes all the way down to the floor. I don't know if you can see that, which is lovely. So it's kind of got a little bit of stretch to it as well, which I definitely appreciate. I got this in a size 12. I love how it looks like a two-piece, but it's not, it's an all-in-one. So it's perfect for wedding season, or if you're going out to a really nice restaurant or you're going for dinner somewhere, I think this would be absolutely ideal. One thing I want to add is that the buttons that run vertically down the middle are not real buttons. So yeah, it's just for the effect, the detailing effect I guess, which is actually good as well, because you're not getting that gaping that can sometimes happen in the bust area. And also it has a invisible zip right here down the middle, so it is very clean. So I also really love that about this jumpsuit. So yeah, the next item that I want to show you are these heels that I also got from Millen. They're super cute, just your typical gold strappy sandals. I haven't broken them in yet, so they are pretty uncomfortable right now, but there is a little bit of padding just over here, like at the back, like where the heel is, and also at the front as well. So I'm hoping I will be able to survive a night out in these, because they are typically a lot higher than what I would usually go for. But yeah, they are super cute and they would look absolutely amazing with this look. So yeah. Okay everyone, so this is the next piece, and it is this feathered shirt from a brand that I found on Instagram called Fiji Studios. They have really nice unique pieces, and yeah, I'm absolutely digging this one. It looks so gorgeous and I love the character in this shirt. I feel like I'm flying. I keep making jokes that I'm Big Bird when I wear this, but I really love it, guys. It's just everything and more. I can't remember the price from the top of my head. I think it was around £200, or it could have been 150. I can't remember, but I do remember thinking that it was a bargain and a really good price for what you get. You do have to be really delicate with it. I have had a few feathers fall off, so you have to be really, really careful with this shirt, but it's gorgeous. It's just perfect and it's different. Not many people have it, so if you want to stand out, then definitely pick yourself up one of these shirts. And I know they are quite limited with stock, so you better run. But yeah, I'll put links of all the pieces that I showed down below if they're still available, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, this is the shirt, guys. This is what it looks like from the back. There's not feathers at the back, which is handy. And yeah, hey guys, so these two pieces I picked up from COS. I really, really, really love it. This is a zebra print two-piece. It's a shirt and shorts set. I was looking for a two-piece in this kind of satin material for a while, and when I found this one, I was over the moon, as you can imagine. So I got this in the sale. I can't remember the prices from the top of my head. I think it was around £70 for the top and maybe 50 for the shorts, something like that. I can't really remember what the price was, but that was with a 30 to 40% discount. So I got it for a bargain. I picked the shirt up in a size 10 and I got the shorts in a size 12, and it fits absolutely perfectly. I really, really love this one, guys. It kind of looks like a play suit, doesn't it? It kind of gives play suit vibes as well. And one good thing about two pieces is that you can wear them as separates as well. So I could wear the shirt with some, you know, white trousers, or I could wear, you know, the shorts with my Sunda Bay vest as well. So you kind of get, it's worth your money. You kind of get the best of both worlds as well. So this is the piece, guys. And oh, it's got pockets as well. The pockets are real. I really, really love it. The colour kind of looks black and white, I think, on camera, but it's more of a cream and brown as well. So yeah, it's not so harsh, guys, so just bear that in mind. Okay guys, so that was the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, because it really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. Hopefully there was at least one item that you really, really liked from this haul, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.